Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Chinese version of PUBG Mobile. First, you will need a reliable virtual private network, often called a VPN, to access the necessary app stores. Download and install a trustworthy VPN application directly onto your mobile device. Make sure your chosen VPN provides server locations specifically within mainland China. This crucial step ensures you can connect and proceed with the download successfully. Once your virtual private network is installed, connect it to a server located in China. Then, open your device's browser and navigate to the official Chinese App Store, such as the TapTap website or the official game portal. Search specifically for Peace Elite or the Chinese name for PUBG Mobile within that store or website. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the game application to your device. To play, you must register an account using either QQ or WeChat, two popular Chinese social media platforms. If you do not currently have one, you will need to create a QQ or WeChat account first. This process usually requires a mobile phone number for verification. Once your account is ready, launch the game and follow the in-game prompts to link your chosen social media account, which will allow you to log in. The game's interface will predominantly appear in Chinese, which can be an initial challenge for new players. Take some time to explore the settings menu, customizing your controls, adjusting graphics quality, and familiarizing yourself with the layout. Consider using a real-time translation application on a second device or referring to online guides to help navigate the different menu options effectively. This will greatly enhance your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.